In the enchanting world beyond the clouds, where floating islands drift above an endless sea, a young inventor named Kai lived on the peaceful Nimbus Isle. Kai, only 15 years old, had a knack for fixing things, a real tinkerer he'd been called, and he spent his days surrounded by whirring gadgets and gears, always dreaming of adventure in the great unknown above. Yet, it wasn't until that fateful day, as he scavenged through the wreckage of an ancient airship, that his life truly turned upside down. Kai's keen eyes spotted something unusual amidst the twisted metal. A mysterious key that pulsed with an otherworldly light. It was made of a strange metal, engraved with symbols that seemed to dance when he touched them. Instantly, a vision flooded his mind, a sprawling city floating high above the clouds, a legendary place whispered about only in old stories and lullabies, Aerion, the mythical city of the sky builders. With heart racing and mind alight with possibilities, Kai rushed to share the discovery with Flicker, his best friend who just happened to be a talking fox. Flicker was as clever and mischievous as any fox in the tales, with fluffy red fur and a penchant for getting into trouble. What Kai didn't expect was the sudden attack by the menacing Sky Raiders, pirates of the sky led by the ruthless Captain Darius, who seemed to know the key's true value. Just as Kai and Flicker were almost caught, an airship swooped down from the clouds. It was piloted by Zara, the most daring and sarcastic captain in the skies. With her help, they barely escaped the clutches of the Sky Raiders. Zara had her reasons for searching for Aerion, reasons she kept close to her chest. She offered to join Kai on his journey if he promised to share any treasures they might find. Eager and filled with wonder, Kai, Flicker, and Zara set off in her ship, the Storm Chaser, a somewhat rickety airship that felt as adventurous as the captain herself. The journey was fraught with peril. The thunder vortex, a storm of such ferocity that it nearly tore the ship apart. Kai, with courage and quick thinking, repaired the engines mid-flight, much to Zara's surprise and relief. Then there was the Crystal Forest, an enchanting glowing jungle where Flicker's curiosity nearly led them into an ancient trap laid by the sky builders themselves. They also encountered the sky leviathans, massive serpent-like beings who guarded the skies. Zara's nimble flying and Kai's inventive tactics saved them from becoming a snack. With each adventure, Kai learned more about the key. It wasn't just any key, it was a map and power source, capable of awakening the incredible technology of the sky builders. Flicker, ever the jokester, exclaimed, "A magic key, a treasure map, and a shiny flashlight. Just what we've always needed." However, their journey was not without enemies. Captain Darius and his Sky Raiders were hot on their trail. With dreams of ruling the floating islands through the power of Aerion, Darius meant business. When he captured Zara and Flicker, Kai had to make a harrowing choice: rescue his friends or continue his quest alone. Determined, Kai reached Aerion and discovered its heart, a colossal machine known as the Skyforge, capable of creating or dismantling entire islands. With the key, he brought the city back to life. But Darius soon arrived, demanding the Skyforge's power. In the thrilling showdown that followed, Kai cleverly overloaded the machine, unraveling Darius's plans and restoring harmony to the realms while the treacherous captain was imprisoned within the collapsing ruins. Zara and Flicker, having managed to escape, reached Kai just in time as Aerion crumbled away majestically into the clouds. Together, they soared away on the Storm Chaser, witnessing the city's disappearance as testament to their adventure. Back Back home on Nimbus Isle, Kai used his newfound insight to create inventions that improved life across the islands. Zara, ever the explorer, resumed her travels, becoming a legend among airship captains. As for Flicker, he basked in being pampered, relishing in the tales he spun about being the true hero of their exploits. Yet, a spark of wonder lingered in Kai's heart, knowing well that the Skybuilder's secrets were far from fully unearthed, and his thrilling adventure was just the beginning.